So here is the best way on how to share Exness affiliate program referral link. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, what you need to do is just simply open up your Play Store and download Exness if you don't have it. Just gotta go to Play Store and simply just search up Exness. And here we are. So I already have it downloaded, so I'm just gonna press on open. So once you open it up, it'll ask you for login and or sign up. It's simple. You just gotta sign up or log in. Once you do that, it will bring you to this interface right over here. So what you have to do is just simply go to profile. Once you are in profile, profile is on the corner. And right once you're inside profile, you'll see the option of referral program. And right over here, it will say earn a stable income by introducing clients to Exness. So you just gotta press on it like this. Once you press on it, here you'll be able to see the option of share the link. Just go ahead and press on share the link option. And right over here, you'll be able to see a few contacts like, sendable ones where you can send it to anyone through messaging or anywhere like this. So for example, if we go to, let's say this one right over here, it will say this. You can see receive 10,000 virtual funds like this, and it will give them the link as well. So it's like this. Once you send it like this, they will receive the link, and this is actually how you can share the affiliate program referral link. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.